Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sonke uyayibona-ke iy'ndaba surrounding uMonopoly Selling. Hlezi kuzoba nama-rumors regarding uMonopoly Selling. So kuney'ndaba-ke ey'seculator-yo. Le y'ndaba ey'seculator-yo zithini na? Zithi uMonopoly Selling uzobuya ku-Orlando Pirates kuleli windi leli. Njengoba livuliwe nje iwindi kuthi ku-Orlando Pirates izolanda uMonopoly Selling. Ngifuna nje ukusho bafethu ukugcola umlomo akusilo iqiniso lelo. Akusilo iqiniso lelo bafethu. Remember kuMonopoly Selling ekuqaleni kwale season le Orlando Pirates yadecide ukuthi umjida imdedele emyise ku-Orbit College ayodlala with Orbit College. Imlonile khona ku-Orbit College because masubheka kwisquad Orlando Pirates right now balandile ama-wingers akahle azokwazi ukuthi ayisize i-team. Mwasubheke nje abadlali abanjengo-Osuna Police bathengiwe, abadlali abanjengo-Tsepang Merim bathengiwe, bakhona nabo-Fukeng bakhona futhi bazokwazi ukuthi bayisize i-team yabo. Akhona nje ama-wingers ku-Orlando Pirates naku-DDC basengalanda yabo. So regarding inkinga yakhe umjida uMonopoly Selling badecide ukuthi umjida bamdedele athi kuyothola environment ehlukile nale yakhe yona ku-Orlando Pirates, athi ukuthola i-game time kancane. So badecide ukumdedela aye ku-Orbit College for i-season long loan. Mwasubheke-ke lapha laphana bafethu i-contract yakhe anayo with Orbit College. Kuthiwa umjida uyoze abuye ngomhla ka-30 June 2026. Uyoze abuye ngomhla ka-30 June ku-2026 ku-Orlando Pirates. So far umjida akayidlaleli Orlando Pirates and kuzoqhubeka kunjalo. So musana ukuyithatha le indaba lezi because baningi abantu abangibuzayo. Angazi noma mhlamba bayibonanga ividiyo ngishaya at the start of the season regarding indaba zakhe uMonopoly Selling. I spoke about Selling ukuthi umjida he will be playing for i-Orbit College until season iziphele yabo. But ke kuzoba kuyona Orlando Pirates sizodecide ukuthi imbuyise noma cha. But it doesn't look like Orlando Pirates izomlanda umjida because so far bakhona abadlali abangakwazi bayisize i-team iye phambili. Khona abadlali abathengwayo njengamanje simbonile uDiong usathana kuthengwa. Bakhona abadlali Orlando Pirates bafunayo in the market. Bakhona uPhuso Disejane yabo. Bakhona nabo Khositsile ngenzeka babuye bafethu. Meqala nje isizini entsha uKhositsile bazobuya ku-Orlando Pirates. So bakhona abadlali ku-Orlando Pirates yabo. They are players. So I wouldn't think Orlando Pirates inga-breaka i-contract eyisayinile with Orbit College because maybe i-breacha leyo contract leyo Orlando Pirates kumele ikhokhe imali ikhokhele yona i-Orbit College. So I don't think they would breach i-contract ekanjalo. Balika kakhulu phela i-contract when it comes to ibhola. But it seems like ama-fans amaningi amfuna impela uMonopoly Selling ebuyile ku-Orlando Pirates yabo. Ama-fans ayamthanda uSelling. Amthanda ngempela uSelling. I hope nawe uyabona la ekhona. I hope nawe uyayilungisa into zakhe akwazi ukuthi alungise ubudlelwane bakhe with i-club abuyele ku-Orlando Pirates because ama-fans amthanda. Yabo umuthandwa ama-fans usuke umnandi kakhulu as a football player because ama-fans iwona akulwelwayo. Ama-fans iwona akunikeza ithikithi lokuthi udlalele ama-team amakhulu. Yabo there are many players like ku-Betway Premiership athandwa ama-fans. They get to sign for ama-team amaningi because they have high following and bayathandwa kakhulu. Yabo the more uthandwa the more uzothola amathuba amaningi la ku-Betway Premiership. So yena umjida unethuba eliningi kakhulu ukuthi umjida abuyele esimeni sakhe, abuyele kule format eyona umjida. Abakukho mnandi ngempela ukubona umjida nje. I remember nje during this season esakuyona i-Orbit College yabo izinto bezingekho mnandi. Yabo bezingekho mnandi regarding yena with coach wayi Orbit. I hope ke sebeyifixile izinto with coach Orbit bafethu because umjida kumele abuyise, kumele nje simyisele ku-Orbit kumele ayolungisa ikhanda lakhe. Yabo kumele alungise izinto zakhe because sifuna ukumbona ebuyile. Sifuna ukumbona edlala ku-World Cup. But ke it's highly unlikely ukumbona ehambe edlala ku-World Cup. But bekuzoba mnandi if he went to AFCON with Bafana because besingenawo ama-right wingers. Yabo besingenawo abadlali abazodlalela Liga rights. But ke wena you can tell me in the comments how do you feel regarding indaba zikaMonopoly Selling. Do you feel like umjida kumele abuye manje sekwanele or umjida kumele aqhubeke adlale with i-Orbit College?